Excuse me, over East Africa? And that you are going with over there?
Reaction.
Boom! What's the word, YouTube? It's about TyrekeReacts, aka the Reaction Boss. Back in effect with another video for you guys. So we heard a song from Harmonize. Excuse me, sorry if I botched the name, you feel me? First time reaction. Where is he from? Tanzania. Bruh, honestly, this was just recommended to me, you feel me? If you are new to the channel, please smash a like, subscribe to the channel, help me grow. I'm trying to get to 100,000 subscribers, so like, you know, I've been YouTube for a long time, you feel me? So we're trying to get there, we're trying to grind by any means necessary. And right now we just venture off into Kenyan music, and I got sent over to come check this one out right here. So we're gonna get straight to it and see what's going on. Listen, I'm gonna enjoy it, you feel me? I just like the vibes, I like the effects. We're gonna see what's going on. So leave a like on the video again before watching the video. Subscribe to the channel, help me grow, help me get to 100,000 subscribers. And recommend some more songs y'all wanna see me react to, y'all think I would enjoy. You feel me? TyrekeVlogs on Instagram, go follow me. Subscribe. That's the main deal right now. Subscribe and the like button. Let's get straight to the video. Alright. Harmonize. Alright. Right through. Hold on.
Zombies trapped to the neck.
Hold on. Hold on. Is this turned all the way up? There we go. I want to hear the bass in the air. You hell, man. Oh, you got subtitles on here? I don't mind if I do. Hey, run through. That we are talking about.
Zombies trapped to the neck.
Hey.
Yo.
It's the kids, babe.
Hold on. We got the robots there from Africa. It's the West Africans, right? East Africans, I should say. Sorry, it's East Africa. Let's go.
Kids, babe.
Mwamalona tumwana kutolea. Bebe kishika simu amekuzoea. Akikupa dogi.
So hold on, they're gambling or something?
Bebe kishika simu amekuzoea.
Alright then.
Akikupa dogi, she doesn't care. Dawa ya moto moto tunachochea. Haya we.
Excuse me? What you got going on in this music video? We like those.
Moto moto tunachochea. Haya we amekuwa. Si alisema namsumbua.
Wala dangune.
Si alisema namsumbua. Akajiona keki. Kumbe ananifollow na county feki.
I hate to be the guy to pause the video 10,000 times, but did y'all see that bumper on her? Jesus, and of course I got it in one go. Oh my gosh, we're gonna have fun with these videos. Go!
Kumbe ananifollow na county feki. Oliver twist. Can you move your body just like this? Oliver twist. Can you shake your body just like this? Biggity.
Hey. No, you make me want to get up and dance, yo. No, hold on. I'm sweating. We're having fun over, bro. No, right now, if you're liking the reaction right now, if you're liking the reaction video right now, I didn't know I was going to enjoy this so much. Thank you so much for freaking recommending this damn video to me, y'all. You know, recommend some more songs to me right now. Just drop them down in the comment section, and I'm going to show y'all out to the next video. Honestly, if I'm enjoying this much, I was popping this clap. You'll feel me. Let's go!
Biggity. Hey, yeah, biggity.
Man, can you move like this?
Biggity.
Excuse me, over East Africa. And that you are going with over there. We have to watch that part again. Run it. These guys look like they could steal my girl just by looking at her. What the hell? These guys could steal my girl just by looking at her. They look at my girl and be like, come here. Go on! Hold on! Alright then. Okay. Hey! I know the subtitle was wrong. Y'all told me from the get-go already, but I just started reacting to the Kenyan songs first. Yeah, I was letting me know like, yo, off rip, the subtitles are completely off. So he's probably not saying nothing about no olive, yeah. You feel me? Can you move your body? Or is he saying that shit? Probably saying, can you move your body? He's probably saying that, but Oliver twist. Can you move your body just like this? Oliver twist. Can you move your body just like this? Bingity, 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 hey yeah, bingity, 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 bingity. Oh yeah, what does that mean? What does that mean? Honestly, I want to check the comment section so bad. Somebody say, oh yeah, the mix killer. That was fun. That was too much fun. That was just too much fun to have in one video. That was too much fun to have in one video, bro. Where are you from watching this song, guys? Let's me here. I want to see somebody comment the damn lyrics. I want to see somebody comment the lyrics from Kenya. Give them a likes. Have your likes. You know, I'm not gonna waste no time, right? I'm not gonna waste no time right now going through the comments. I'm gonna edit and post this video for you. You know why? It just came out 2 days ago, and I'm gonna make sure I have all y'all in here. Did he put? Okay, he didn't put it. Cause some artists be putting the they be putting the what's it called, the lyrics to the song in the description of the video. I was gonna like copy and paste that into Google and see if I could get the lyrics, but I'm gonna get it. But I'm gonna see y'all in another video. I think I'm gonna react to oh, this song next. Yeah, this was recommended to me too. So see, I'm giving y'all the scoop. If y'all watch the full video, comment the letter A. Just comment A, capital A, just A. Confuse everyone. They be like, why y'all commenting the letter A? You feel me? Just drop an A in the comment section and don't say nothing else. Just drop the letter A in the comment section. Yeah, confuse the crowd. But I'll see you in another video. Peace out.